Do men have pelvises? Thank you.
Let me think.
Yes.
Okay, I found this on the web for do men have
Can I read it, girl?
pelvises?
Yes, they do.
Pelvises. I bet that sound better too. But right now I'm actually setting up for another shoot today with Stephanie Garrick, and she's a makeup artist and she's getting into beauty and all that kind of stuff. So she wanted to do a promo shoot with moi. Chastity is off with some friends right now, actually doing some things for our wedding with her bridesmaids. Oh, let me turn this music off. But yeah, that's what she's off doing, and I'm here by myself right now. But that's cool. I'm fine with that. I can do what I need to do on my own. I've done it before, and ain't no thing to do it again. But when Chastity gets back, I'm pretty sure that she will talk to you guys, and we'll have more to talk about throughout the rest of the day. But again, thanks for coming back and watching the videos, and I'll be back with you guys soon. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys, but the audio was just way too high for me. So I listened to the playback to make sure that it sounded good. But like, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to like something that, like, I mean, I know we're doing this for you guys. We're letting you guys in on our life and stuff like that. But like, I really just wanted to make sure that the quality was there, as far as like you seeing and hearing. So I think we're on a really good track right now. You guys enjoyed the last two videos, and I think that you're going to enjoy this one too. And we're going to continue to put out more and more and more great content for you guys to absorb and like enjoy our story and our life.
If we tried that, we could be somewhere where the climate is warm long as you're around.
Alright guys, so now I've been shooting for a minute with Steph. Let's focus, Frank, focus. There we go. Alright, there we go. Stephanie, she's getting ready for a second look. Now introduce you guys to my brother, Cecil. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. It's dark, so you can't really see him. But yeah, working on second look. Stephanie's redoing her makeup, and I'm about to order wings because I'm hungry as hell. Alright. And Chastity still's not back. She'll be back in a little bit. Alright.
Dropped out of school, now we done rich. Sound like some 4301 shit. All my people wanna do is pop style. Turn my birthday into a lifestyle. Tell my mom I love her if I do not make it. Got so many chains, they call me chain and Satan. And I like to finish what you think you started. Man, you boys just got to Hollywood, you boys just started. Girl, let me rock your body. Justin Timberlake and then I hit the highway. I can't trust nobody. They still out to get me cause they never got. Beautiful morning, you're the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing I wanted, yeah. Beautiful morning, you're the sun. Nothing I wanted, yeah. I just wanna feel liberated, yeah. I just wanna feel liberated, yeah. If I ever instigated, I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Morning.
How you feel today?
Late.
You feel late?
You're late for church. How you feel?
I feel sleepy.
I'm hungry.
A little bit.
The clouds are still moving pretty fast. Not as fast as last night.
It's a good thing. Good morning, guys. We had a really long day yesterday. I know you saw everything that I did, but you didn't get to see everything that Chastity did because Chastity and her friends from college went to
Everywhere.
look for wedding dresses and look for wedding shoes and a bunch of other different
We
things.
went out to eat. Where else did we go?
I don't know. You want to tell them?
Oh, you just did.
And then on top of that, we went to what's the name of that place?
Blue Martini.
We went to this place in Frisco called Blue Martini.
Plano.
And was it?
It was pretty fun.
It is
Was
in
it what?
Plano. It is in Plano.
Yeah, the shop's at Legacy.
Yeah, that's right.
So let me give y'all a rundown of what happened yesterday. So we woke up late. We had an appointment at David's Bridal at like 9 o'clock. And the place was like 20 minutes away. And there's 3 of us, and all 3 of us had to get ready. We woke up at 8:10. Needless to say, we didn't get there at 9. But when we did get there, we found some dresses for 2 of my girls. And then Destiny brought little Sophie. She's so cute. She made my baby fever worse. Are you ready for that?
Am I ready for your baby fever?
No, for babies.
Yeah.
Got this on camera, y'all. He said yeah. And then after that, we went out to eat to Olive Garden. And after Olive Garden, we went to the Galleria to try to find some shoes with no luck. We found absolutely nothing. And then after that, we came on home. And Frank was finishing up a photo shoot. We're late for church. I think that's like a pretty consistent thing for me lately. Being friggin' late. Which is not good. But we're supposed to be at church. Church starts at 8:15. What time is it?
Church starts at what time?
8:15.
It's 8:15.
It's 8:15, and we're stopping to get food. But we'll get there.
This is like our favorite place to like get like road snacks. But I think she actually came in here for breakfast this morning. So I don't want random like breakfast food. So I'm buying nuts. Yeah. I'm buying nuts and trying to get my protein game up. We were out like pretty late, and then we were still up when we got back. Coffee time. Are you ready?
What time is it now?
I don't know.
8:30?
My vlogging hand has my camera right up. My vlogging hand has my watch on it.
A book that's like, ooh, that looks delicious.
Now let's finally go to church.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Oh, my lips look dry.
You look so cute without your beard, but I miss it.
You miss my beard, but I'm so cute without it. Maybe I'll grow the David Banner where like there's no hair on any other side of my face except for like right there on my chin. David Banner.
Good morning, y'all. So today is Monday. It's a very, very rainy Monday. Y'all can probably hear the rain because I've got the windows open back there. But yeah. I am currently waiting for Franklin to finish up his marketing meeting. He should probably be home within the next hour and a half. And then we'll decide on whether or not we'll go somewhere and work. It really just depends on what he wants to do because sometimes when it rains we'll go somewhere, sometimes we won't. Only because we don't like to deal with the traffic and people not knowing how to drive in the rain. So yeah, whenever he gets here, we'll decide that. But I do know that we are going to go to the florist later on to try to decide on some flowers and all that jazz for the wedding. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to go eat breakfast and study for my test. And I will catch you guys later. Y'all. So, a while ago I chipped my front tooth. I can't remember how. I think it was while I was eating. But my teeth used to be like so perfectly straight. And now this one front tooth is shorter than the other one. And it looks really weird. And I'm not used to my teeth like not being perfect. And it's really weird because you can see that one's longer than the other in the front. And so I thought about getting veneers. And I'm looking at a video. I don't know if I can do it. Like, I'm about to play you this video and tell me that this does not look scary. Look at that. Drilling a hole in your teeth. Like, I gotta do some more research on this because, like, I want to know how long does this last? Like, do I have to go through this again? I don't know. If you've ever gotten veneers done or lumineers, whatever, comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on them. Or tell me what you know about them. Because I'm seriously contemplating whether or not I'll be strong enough to do this. Because right now, after this video, I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. I just want my teeth to be back to normal.
I'm back. Just got back from my networking meeting and my beyond average chiropractor meeting. It's great. I feel great. And now we're about to go meet with our florist, possible florist. And
Are we gonna do that first or go work first?
I think we should go work first. Because she's a local business, so she probably closes a little bit earlier than most. So we're going to go meet with her and then get on this hustle. And
I keep calling your meeting a marketing meeting. Not networking. I don't know.
It's a networking meeting, not
This morning I was like, Franklin's still in his marketing meeting. I guess you're marketing yourself, yeah?
Yeah, I guess for the most part. For some of the part. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get my headphones together. I'm ready though. My stuff is all right there.
Hey dog. Nala.
Good morning.
Nala.
If we wake up too early, she's like, you can talk to her, she will not move.
Nala.
Hello, little puppy.
Okay.
She needs a bath. Oh, and your nails need to be cut.
Okay. Are you
Okay,
ready?
we gotta go. Do you think she would ruin our apartment if we left her out all day?
I know she would.
Why are you so cute?
She makes these faces right here. Like, you ever seen a dog do that?
Her face does not look like that.
It does look like
She's
that.
cuter than that.
Did you just say the dog was cuter than me?
That face that you make.
That face that you made.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go. Carry this, please.
No. There actually is a strap that I can put on there for you.
No, I'll just carry it like that.
And she walks off. So bright.
Now you want to take my bag.
I got it. Ah, baby, you know I always got your bag.
What's the name of your florist?
I don't know her by name.
What's the name of the place?
I can't remember the name of the place either. I just know she has really nice fucking look. She's a really nice lady, and
she always has your favorite flowers in stock because I asked her to.
I don't think you're in focus.
She pushed the autofocus button. The shutter button, rather.
I mean, are you gonna talk?
Oh, yeah. But she always has what I need her to have in stock.
Where are we going first?
To the flower place. To the flower place. To the flower place. Thank God for microphones, because all that motorcycle crap that's going on over there. So how was studying?
Well, I studied a chapter I had already studied. So now, instead of being down 1 and 4 to go, I have 5 to go.
Not bad.
It is bad when you think you have 4 chapters left to study and you studied 1 chapter that you thought you didn't study but you really already did. And so now you have 5. It is bad.
Yeah, I was just trying to, trying not to think negative about it.
I'm not thinking negative.
You just got some extra studying done with it. That's how I'm taking it.
Whatever.
All right, guys. It is currently 5:45 almost, and look at that behind me, and it's starting to rain, and I'm going to the truck because I don't want my camera to get wet. Yeah. Ah!
Get in the car.
I'm trying.
You good?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's crazy.
Look at the storm.
Babe, you're on the wrong side of the
About to get taken up today.
No.
Huh? Your song?
So we're back home. Made it through the storm. And we left this window open. And unfortunately, I wasn't thinking it was going to rain anymore. So that's all wet down there. My couch is wet. So, yeah. Hopefully we don't have any problems. I don't think we will. But if so, Billy will be needing a new couch. Hi, Nala.
No.
Hello.
guys, thankfully, we made it through the hailstorm with no hail damage. This is just a little update. And Chastity's already in the bed, so I'm going ahead and end the vlog. Thanks for watching us, and see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.